Here, an incremental diameter pipe flashing is being installed. The flashing is first cut to the chosen diameter, corresponding to the pipe diameter, and pulled over the pipe and pushed snugly down to the membrane. Be sure that the membrane is clean on both sides. If the membrane has been exposed for a longer time, clean the surfaces to be welded with KÖSTER TPO Cleaner. The flashing flange is first completely spot welded around the pipe before welding the flange edge. The upper flashing is mechanically fixated and pressed onto the pipe with an adjustable ring clamp. KÖSTER PU Flex 25 is installed over the clamp to ensure that no water can penetrate behind the clamp and flashing. An anchoring point will be waterproofed securely with a KÖSTER pipe flashing. In this case, the KÖSTER pipe flashing 2300 with an inner diameter of 20 mm and a pipe length of 300 mm is being installed. If required, the pipe length can be adjusted. The adjusted KÖSTER pipe flashing is placed over the anchorage point with a shrinkage wrap already set over the pipe, and the flashing is spot welded with the hand welder from inside. Immediately after, the spot welded pipe flashing is welded to the KÖSTER TPO waterproofing membrane with the hand welder by heating and firmly pressing with the silicone roller. Now we pull the shrinkage wrap to cover the pipe halfway and half over the anchorage point. The screw thread must remain free. The shrinkage wrap is uniformly heated with the hand welder from all sides so that it contracts around the pipe and the anchorage point. In this way, a secure waterproofing of the penetration is guaranteed.